Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to deploy a Flask app on Microsoft Azure in 2025. Whether you're new to Azure or just want a clear step-by-step walkthrough, this guide will get your Flask app live in no time. First, make sure your Flask app is ready and tested locally. You should have a working properly app.py or similar file and requirements text that lists all your dependencies. Next, sign into your Azure portal at portal.azure.com and create a new app service. Choose your subscription and create a new resource group if you don't have one already. For a runtime stack, select Python 3.x and the latest supported version. After creating the app service, you will get a URL where your app will be hosted once deployed. Now, to deploy your Flask app, the easiest way is using Azure CLI. If you don't have it installed, download it from the official site and log in by running this. Then navigate to your Flask app folder in your terminal, using the following commands to deploy your app. First, initialize a Git repo if you don't have it already by using this. Next, link your local repo to Azure Remote. This command will give you a Git remote URL and it has a remote in your repos. Finally, push your code to Azure. Azure will detect your Python app, install dependencies from requirements text, and start your Flask app automatically. Don't forget to set the startup command in Azure App Service settings, which is usually look like this. Replace app:app if your app instance is named differently. Once deployed, visit your Azure URL and your Flask app should be live. That's it for deploying Flask apps on Azure in 2025. If you want more to see a cloud deployment tutorial, just let me know. Thanks for watching and see you next time.